Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota Hilux Surf. It comes with 104,894 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 5EZ FE 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's take a look at the dash. All right, as y'all can see, all the lights went away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. The number you're seeing right there, 168,811. That is the kilometers. The miles is 104,894. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.